Samla pule jangka Gorkha Patashala Higher Secondary School Wangalama kebadan hagri khana shlong obedeiru ubawan hakakerdan kebaning kong hak exam secondary school living certificate ula ong bakum ki khana pule deban pule bha barwa kawe yakakot bat ban paralok ban yajan bha bat ki kot pule nangta ban sha skor bha yaginong hikai bat ke internet bat kawan hadien kebadan hakinu kinu ki jing sngaw artatien Habakran bagi nok thok khobor ula pen paw ya kecing kemen ka bakrau ban kenjo sakathong ka ba un poi perkhat bat ula ai ngu ya ublei nang ta ye ki kme ki kba ki bala kershan yu na do bastang ya kinong hikai bat kum chu ru ya ka skol baro ko be ula pen paw ka jing so kemen ba ula wan ra ka jing sarong ye ki kme ki kba ya kinong hikai bat ban kentiu ru ya ka buram jang ka skol halo ka social media ula ong bala da pendan kam hak la ban yo ki jingara babon henry la da pendan kam bakla kan long pen ban kum kabi Karbau samla aditya thapa ubawan hak kerdan ka bahinyo pat usyarat chetri ubawan hak kerdan ka baprana ka niga juk school kila ong ba kidan ka thong banang pule khambha khmat khanang ba kin la ban pet utlong yala ki jong ki jing thu
A very good afternoon. My name is Wangel Lama, and it feels like a dream achieving the top first position. It feels unreal as the moment of speaking that I'm saying it. I'm very happy that I could make my parents proud and also fulfill the dreams of my teachers and also raise the name of my institution. Well, obviously not, absolutely not. I was just nervous a little bit, but from the very first years of my school, I am competing against the top institutions of the city, so I am kind of used to it. Who helped me?
Yes.
Yeah, who did, yeah.
Yes. First and foremost, my parents, my father and my mother, they work very hard for me, and we come from very humble backgrounds, and also my qualified teachers who guide me in everything that I do, and they are the one who pushed me forward. They made me realize that I have the potential of achieving everything and anything. So I am very thankful to them and all my friends and all my juniors and also the seniors and the institution in whole. All of them, all the people, they have had small effects, butterfly effects that have made this great magnitude of a result today. So I am thankful to every one of them. They have shaped me as I am today. Well, you see, if you don't study, if you don't have the knowledge of the textbooks and you only study from internet, so what can you even expect in writing the exam? So first you have to have a thorough knowledge of your textbook. Yeah, the textbook and you should become one friend. And if you have, if you even know if you even know your textbook thoroughly, then absolutely you can excel the exams. So the doubts that you have your teachers, you can ask them, and also the social media that is there to clear our doubts. They have great assets. So that is all. Yeah, we have textbooks, we have teachers, and we also have the social media that give anything that we want to make. So all of these combined can help us greatly. You see, my view on that is without the base, how can you achieve to go to the top? How can you dream of that? If your tree doesn't have its roots, how can you climb the branches? That is. So I believe that the social media, it is having a lot of toxic effects on the youth these days. Like you see, it's not that bad, but it depends on the people, because nowadays people are very easygoing. They want what is easy. So and that social media is feeding into that. So that is hampering badly, but it greatly depends on the student. On the person who views social media correctly, he will use it correctly, and those who don't, they use it badly, and that will affect their whole personality and their identity. You see, I'm really not a book nerd, not a bookworm, or also a study freak. I just try to live my class 10 fully. Throughout the whole session, I studied when I could, but I really was not satisfied with my studying, as I was involved here and there. I tried to live my class 10, but in the last months, the last days of December and January, I gave it my all, because I knew that this moment is only going to come once in a lifetime. So I have to strike the iron while it's hot, or or regret it later. If I did that, if I did not do what I did, so you would not be seeing me as I am today here.
Do you have
Yes, that is the question that eats me up the most. You see, I have thought lots and lots, but I really have not figured my purpose yet. I really hope and wish that I can find my purpose that will fulfill me as a person, that will make me realize my worth as a person, and I will be happy. So I hope that God will help me in finding my purpose soon.
Aside from it, I want to become a writer. A writer of stories like I want stories to be published in the public as well as they should be adapted in movies. Like my favorite genre in movies is like romantic and mystery type, plus real life based on real life events. And that's it. That's what is in my life. I think that I want to go farther than limelight. Like even if limelight comes to me, I want to give out of its niche. Like I don't like limelight. Even right now, I'm feeling quite awkward to pick all this up. I'm not as good as speaker as them, but I'm trying to say the things I want to write from my heart. So I just want to become a good son and
Is my voice okay? Surely. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Sharat Chitri from Gurra Patshala High Secondary School. And talking about the relationship between me and my teachers, it has been absolutely wonderful. From the beginning of my academic year, I have never felt left out from my teachers. And the guidance they've provided me with is excellent. So to say, top of the class. And I feel some of my teachers are better than those of the top cities of the top schools which you consider of the city. See, my journey here is not just a sole dedication of mine alone, but a collage of my teachers from school, from tuitions. And I have received major help from my tuitions, but the part where I have excelled the most is schooling. And the guidance I've received in school, so to say, I would give it to my teachers that it is better on their side than on the tuitions.
What is your